In this lesson, we're going to go over setting up your billing info in TikTok Ads Manager. Your billing setup determines whether your ads pause or once. You'll need to select from manual payment, automatic payment, or monthly invoicing and add a valid card or payment method. To do this, you can either select Add Info from the dashboard in this Add Billing Info section, or you can go to Tools, and from here in the Settings option, you can go to Finance. Once you click Finance, you'll move towards this payment section. From here, we can go to Step 1, Enter Billing Information, should then click this option. Here you can set up your billing information. Once you've done this, you can choose your payment type from manual, automatic, or monthly invoicing and add your payment method. This would involve selecting a credit or debit card or PayPal, filling in your card details and your billing address. Now, at times for verification, TikTok may make a small test charge of around $10. This will be refunded within 15 days. As a pro tip, avoid prepaid or virtual cards as they're often rejected. This is a doubt setting up your billing info inside TikTok Ads Manager. This is it for now. See you in the next lesson.